Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back. I got another training for you guys, and today I'm gonna be talking about how you can actually make money off of your social media. I know a lot of you guys waste a lot of time on social media, scrolling down social media, watching fights, watching funny memes, pranks, and all of that stuff. But I'm gonna actually tell you that you can turn your social media into an ATM, and I'm gonna tell you guys how, right? So the first thing you wanna do initially when starting a social media is brand yourself, right? Come up with a brand, come up with exactly your target audience is going to be, come up with exactly the story you're going to tell, your lifetime story that you're going to tell, what you're going to be selling, and brand yourself around who you are, what you're selling, and what you have to offer to the marketplace. So next, as far as making money on social media, you want to show yourself using your products and services. Nobody wants to buy anything that they gonna see the person selling it isn't even using. So the first thing you want to do is establish how you use the products, how you use the services, and let people know that you actually use them. Let people know that they actually work and that you can live the type of lifestyle that you can by using them. Next, I always tell people, you're winning soon as you get your business started. Don't allow income to always determine if you're winning or not. You have to have the attitude that you're already winning before the money comes in, right? So talk about your future. Talk about what you're going to be doing when that money comes in. Talk about the people you're going to be with, the places you're going to live, the places you're going to travel, the cars you're going to drive. Talk about your future on your social media, which will attract people because they're gonna be like, wow, what is this guy doing? What did he do? What changed this person? I want to know what he got involved with because he's talking about his future and it sounds very interesting, right? Next, guys, don't make it all about you, right? If you're building a team or you got customers and you got people who are getting results, show the other people results on your social media. Say, hey, Brad, he joined the winning team. He's now making money. Or shout out to Lucy. She bought my product. She's now losing weight. Or whatever your service is, show that people are actually getting results. Be proud that people are getting results from your company. Don't make it all about you, right? Next, you want to document the journey. A lot of people respect the hustle. They respect the come up. A lot of people respect me, not because, I was gifted anything. I didn't have the easy way. They literally seen me struggle to come up, right? They see me struggle all the way coming from out the trap house to earning over 7 figures online, guys. And I documented it online, guys, to the point that everybody's seen that it was possible, right? So you definitely want to document the journey, guys. You want to document the journey and make sure that everybody who's watching you know that it's possible that you can do this, right? So last but not least, this is the biggest key right here. This is what got me to where I'm at. You want to stay consistent no matter if it's a good day, no matter if it's a bad day. You want to make sure you keep doing what the successful people are doing. As long as you don't die, as long as you don't quit, it's a guarantee. Well, not a guarantee, but pretty much a guarantee. As long as you don't quit, as long as you don't die, that you can accomplish anything, right? So stay consistent. As long as you keep thinking about your future, talking about your future, and doing the right things, there's a big chance that you're gonna get what you want, and you're going to be able to grow your social media, and people are going to see the come up, respect how you came up, and you're going to be a superstar. So right now, guys, I just broke down the key steps of how to grow your social media. Hopefully you implement this into your business. See you at the top. Let's get it.